Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. You know, where we talk about everything that is yarn and crochet related here. So, first off, I do have a tutorial for this hat. I'll put a link to it below in the description box. You'll also find a link to all my tutorials. There's well over 1,000 of them. So if you have not yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like and a comment. That always helps out. So today I'm going to show you some yarn from HOBBII. Now, if you don't know anything about HOBBII, H-O-B-B-I-I. HOBBII is a yarn company based in Denmark, and they have really, really nice yarns. I usually only buy their yarns when they're on sale, though, because sometimes they can be kind of expensive. But they have sales all the time. So, they had some Valentine's Day, they call their mystery bags lucky bags. So they had some Valentine's Day lucky bags. And today is 2/9/2023. I can assume that it's probably pink and red colors. Maybe I can assume that because I read it. I can't remember. It says it contains 500 grams of mixed blended fabrics such as cotton, acrylic, wool, and romantic color palettes that will remind you of Valentine's Day. Colors, fibers, thicknesses are completely random. Well, when I think of Valentine's Day, I'm thinking of red, pink, and white. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I'm thinking. So, let's do it. Oh, they're $29 too. Now, HOBBII shipping from Denmark. You can pay for shipping, which isn't really that. I don't know how much. It's free. Okay, I'm going to blah, 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 blah. I'm going to be speaking for the United States because that's where I'm from. But they ship all over the place. Shipping starts at $99.99, and for the US it's free if you spend $99 or more. I've heard that takes a long time to get here. I've heard it can take like a month, a couple of weeks to a month. I had one time take like a month because I did that. Well, I don't do that anymore. I always pay for FedEx Express, which is $29.99. From Denmark to Illinois, and it gets here in 3 days. Sometimes 4. I think this time it was 4. No, it wasn't FedEx. It was DHL Express this time. Sometimes it's FedEx, sometimes it's DHL. They switch up their fast shippers, but it was DHL, and it got here in 4 days this time. So, you can do, choose whatever you like. But here we go. Enough talk, more looking. Okay, so I did get a few lucky bags because I always like to look and see if they're going to be different or the same. I did get one other yarn here though because I plan on making something big out of it. It's orange. It's their, this is the only yarn I got besides the lucky bags. It's their fantasy yarn. It's 100% acrylic. It's 100 grams, 150 meters, 164 yards, 3.5 ounces, a bulky number 5. Now this is kind of like Premier Puzzle yarn, as far as similar in a way it looks, But I think the colors are pretty, and I have something special planned for the orange. It's like orange and greens. So pretty, huh? Color number 8, in case you're interested. And actually, it was on sale. I think this is what $5-something a ball when I got it. So that's the only other yarn. Now let's look at these mystery bags. So you can see all the colors in there. It looks like fall, doesn't it? Mystery bags. Now what I learned from HOBBII is, how many I got 4. Sometimes they are different mystery bags and sometimes they're the same. You never know. HOBBII always used to send out these candies. I haven't seen one of these candies in my bag in a very, very long time. They're good. They're hard cherry hearts. I'll put that in my drawer for a later date. I haven't seen them for a long time. I thought they quit giving them out. Maybe they just quit and started again. All right, we'll start with the first mystery bag. This is how they are packaged. I'm excited. I hope it's worth $29. I did their Christmas bags. They were okay. But sometimes their bags are okay. Okay, let's look and see what we got here. So I got that. I can not pronounce that. Smells like wool. 75% premium acrylic, 22 wool, and 3% viscose. bulky number 6, 150 grams, 5.3 ounces, 83 meters for 90 yards. Well, let's see how much this is for them on a regular basis. Now, on a regular basis, this is $14 a ball. See, that's why I only buy stuff on sale, because I would never pay $14 for a ball of this. But that's how much it is regular. And the bag cost me $29. So that's half the bag price for this ball. It's very pretty. I like the pinks with the flecks. That's nice. I like bulky 6 yarns. Oh, I got more of those. Here's another one that's charcoal colored. It's the same, except for it doesn't have flecks. So it is the same price, same everything I just told you, you know, but it doesn't have any, it don't have the viscose in it. So it's 78 wool, 20, or 78, yeah, 78 acrylic. I can't talk today. 22 wool. Yeah, this stuff is $14 on a regular basis. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Yeah, so $14 regular. George, stop. Come on. My dog. So I got that. And then I got Amigo yarn. So this is also a 6 weight. So the Amigo, I mean, they all feel good, is 100% acrylic, 104 yards or 95 meters. This says it's a 5 weight. I wouldn't classify it as 5. That's like a 6, but whatevs. 150 grams and 5.3 ounces. Let's see how much this is. So actually, if you go and buy a regular price, this paid for the bag. That's why I said I buy stuff on sale, because I wouldn't pay that much for those balls of yarn. The Amigo is, man, this is expensive. $9.30 on a regular price. Okay, and there's one more in here. It's pretty. Amigo Melange, 100% acrylic. It's got a washed look to it, pink and reds. Amigo Melange. I'm just trying to give you a. Now this is $3.55. But it's on sale actually right now. Its regular price is $5.50. Okay, it classified as a medium weight number 4. 50 grams, 1.75 ounces, 100 meters, 109 yards. 100% polyacrylic. Alright, so that's what was in that bag for $30. Okay, so as far as like retail value, you got your money's worth. I wouldn't pay $30 myself for this yarn. But it is what it is. Mystery bags are mystery bags. I'm not unhappy with it, because I'm never unhappy with a mystery bag, because I think of mystery bags as you're paying for the mystery, not the yarn. And like I said, as if you go for the retail value, it's over what they're asking. But if you're going for what I would pay for it, no, I wouldn't pay $30 for this yarn right here. I wouldn't particularly. I like this one though. I think this one's my favorite. I like the flex in it. And I like a 6 weight. Now let's see if the others are the same. You know what? I'm kind of hoping maybe they might be. So I can, since these are 3 of them out of the 4 are 6 weights, it'd be nice to have more of them, because there's not really much I can do with 90 yards of a 6 weight. I mean, there's a little bit, but wow. Okay. So I paid almost like $8 a ball for those. Okay, it is. It's the same. So this makes me happier, I guess. So I got 2 of these now. So, you know, I have double that, and a double the black, and a double the red, and double the melange color. so I can make more of what I got here. Dog chewing stuff up down there. All right, let's see what's in these last ones real quick. It is the same, okay? So I'm glad. Now I got 3 of these. I got 3 of everything that I just showed you. And I got one more. I don't know if everybody's is going to be like this or if this is just mine. Oh, this one's different. Okay. So I got 3 that were exactly the same. I'm okay with that. Like I said, I wouldn't have paid $30 for this by myself, but it is a mystery bag. And I'm happy with it. I'm actually happy I got 3 bags that are the same. I really like this pink. And now that I have 3 of them, I can do more with it. Okay. Now in this bag, I got something different. I got the HOBBII again. Okay, I got this again, which they're saying is, whatever I said, $14 or something. But I got it in this purplish color. So it's just like the black, only a different color. And then I got the Amigo again. But I got Amigo Melange, but I got it in white this time. In gray. That one don't look very Valentine-y. Not to me anyways. Okay, and then I got the Amigo again. That it was the same as I got my other bags as this one, but I got it in pink. So it's nice, I guess. I just don't know what to do really with one ball of those unless I mix them up or something. I guess I could put these 2 together. Yeah, those will go together. They got a little bit different fiber content. One's got a little wool in it, but they're both the same weight and everything. Those would match up if, you know, if I wanted to work with them together. And then I got some cotton. This is their 8-4 cotton, so it's like a 1 or 2 weight, 100% cotton. It's these little balls here. So I got a rainbow one and then a pink rainbow one. This is very lightweight. I won't be able to use it. They classify as a 1. It's probably like a sport weight. 50 grams, 175 yards, 170 meters, 1.75 ounces. I'm sorry, 170 meters and 185 yards. So these I won't keep because they're way too thin for me. But I got 2 of those, and I got one more thing in my last bag. This one's really pretty. It's like, it's chain spun. It's called Donna. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. It's got shiny yarn in there mixed with white. It's kind of bumpy there. And it's chain spun there. Donna. There's just not really enough here for me to do anything with, but you know, you keep these type of yarns that you don't have enough to do anything with for scrap yarn projects or whatever. That's, you know, they're always good for that. It is a 5 weight. Four weight. I don't know. It looks like a 4 weight to me, but 85 cotton and 15% polyester, 50 grams, 1.75 ounces, 60 meters or 65 yards. See, there's this, they gave me one ball, 65 yards. This is not really much I can do with that. But like I said, you keep this for like, if you want to make a scrap yarn project, you know, it'll make a row or 2, I guess, depending on what you're making. Or it would probably make a small probably make a granny square for a scrap granny square project, something like that. That one I wouldn't pay $30 for that either, but I did because it was a mystery bag. Okay, so now you know kind of what you can expect. Well, I don't know what to expect. That's what this is what I got in my HOBBII Valentine's Day mystery bags. Like I said, am I upset? No, I'm never ever upset with a mystery bag. Would I have paid that much for it had I known what was in it? No. But that's the part of mystery bags. You don't know. And it's the fun. It's just the fun. It's fun for me. These two would probably, you could use these together, I think, since you could use it, make something and then border it in that white, I guess. I actually got 3 of these pink ones, I think. Yeah. So, you know, you could make something a little bigger and then border it in that white. There we go. Yeah. It's an idea. Cottons and that one ball of Donna. So that was fun. I always like looking at mystery bags. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember though, you never know what you're gonna get in a mystery bag. I don't know. Yours could be different. Yours could be the same. You could get something like way better than I did, or way worse. But they're $29. Is that what he said? $29.99, something like that. Around $30. So, that's it. I'm gonna go. I had a good time. It's always a good time with mystery bags, no matter where they're from. Thanks everybody for watching.